This is very nice. And there is a switch where so that the heat, it can hold the heat. Very nice. So this is a hot water kettle, means like you can make your water hot very quickly and very easily. Simply from the name you can understand, right? You can just put your water, make it hot, and there is a switch where you can just fill the water, it will open. I have paper to get a glass one where it will be a little bit like you can say soft, but you can get a steel one or a metal one. Okay, and this is the like electronic setup is here. So whenever you are using this kettle for heating your water, you save the time, and also many times when you are going to make gravy or any sort of like you need for tea, like quick, you got some guest and you have to think so many places like where is my pot and pan and this and that. Okay, to make your water hot, you can just simply use it. Okay, this I got it with 1 year warranty, and this is a very nice handy kitchen utensils, you can say, and kitchen equipment, so you can have one. Chinese food is very good and easy to prepare, and many a times it's healthy also, so we need to have a Chinese wok as well. And this is a modernized version of the Chinese wok that I have got. And when you are going to get a wok, you can use it as kadai as well sometimes. This one, you have to think thick bottom. This is the first priority of any pan, so that the heat, it can hold the heat. Okay, and it uses less energy, whatever the resources that you are using, electric or coal or gas, so that you can, it consumes less amount of the heat, but it holds it, retain it for a longer time. If you have one like this, then it will help you to reduce the cost of your oil and any other thing, many other thing, not any other thing but many other thing. Like when you are using oil, you can put less amount of oil and you can shallow fry or deep fry it here. Okay, and one thing, like one pot uses are so many. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and please stay tuned with Let's Cook and Tour, and next time we're going to cook something with it, and that one, that hot water, and I will show you how it is working. Okay, and definitely I will give a review to Amazon on how these things are, although it's not a paid video, but also thank you for watching. Thank you for watching Let's Cook and Tour, and if you're new to my channel, then you know exactly what you have to do. You have to go to the red button just under the channel name, and that will call as subscribe button, and you are going to hit that button. So subscribe my channel for new videos, and there are old videos are there that you can watch, and you can definitely get tips about cooking and tool. Bye bye.